every once in a while, I get these jobs that are fun. And this was fun. This is for a local winery. It's a giant bottle of wine. That is a 16-ounce tumbler. So you can just see that bottle is 22 inches long and about 8 inches around across. I made this box for it. Let me show you. Here's the bottle out. So here's the box. Little curves cradle the bottom. The neck is a neck cradle. It's made out of 1/2-inch Baltic birch. Sliding lid. It's got a little finger grab back here. So, hold on. So here's the biggest thing about this project. Most wineries have, bring it over here. The bottle fits in a corking machine, and it's an average size bottle. This is not 22 inches tall. They do make special corkers for these, okay, but they're thousands of dollars. And when you just need to do a couple bottles, yeah, it's not good. So this is my rig that I'm coming up with. So I support the bottom of the bottle. It's on these little risers that I use in the shop. Bottom of the bottle. So I took a chunk of wood. It's about 2 inches thick and a little long, so that it's about the size of the width of the platform, just in case I have to use 2 clamps. Hopefully I'll just have to use 1 clamp, and I'm going to use bar clamps. So the cork is going to fit in this opening, right? So it's going to go up here, the cork, and you guessed it, I'm going to put some clamps on it, put a clamp on it, and draw that cork in with a big bar clamp, like that one right there. I think I'm going to video it. I mean, it's going to be a little adventurous, but hey, we'll see. This projects like this are fun. I can't wait to get this done. So that's what it looks like in the case. And maybe they'll put some confetti or some type of packing material in here, but it doesn't move. It's pretty well secured, and got a little room front and back. That's it. Let's see what happens when we cork this thing. So essentially what you see there is a full bottle, and that's my little contraption. It worked good. Earlier I used a block of wood on the top, and now we're just trying to get the cork even more flush. It's a big cork, but it worked pretty good. So if you got an oversized bottle and you're trying to cork it, woodworking clamp, some plates to put on the bottom. You got to elevate it somehow. Put a plate on the top, and then just start applying pressure and just keep an eye on it.